Many people confuse obsessive-compulsive disorder and obsessive-compulsive personality disorder. Even saying it right now just sounds very confusing. So what is the definition and what is the difference? Today we will compare and contrast both in order to gain a little bit more understanding, and hopefully after this video you will be able to understand how they differ. Here are 5 major differences between OCD and OCPD. Number 5. OCD is an anxiety disorder marked by recurrent, intrusive, unwanted thoughts and behaviors. OCPD is a personality disorder in which someone always wants to be in control. They have a pervasive preoccupation with order and a perfectionistic mentality. Number 4. OCD is a mental health disorder that may be short-term. The symptoms may fluctuate depending on their level of anxiety. On the contrary, OCPD is a lifelong personality disorder. The behaviors don't fluctuate and will remain consistent over time. Number 3. With OCD, you have specific obsessions and compulsions, like for example, a person who locks and relocks the door before going to work for 30 minutes. OCPD, their entire personality is affected. They may have difficulties accepting constructive criticism. They are high achievers, look for patterns of control and order. That will be the person that becomes a workaholic, for example. Number 2. OCD has shown to be treatable with antidepressants and therapy. Cognitive behavior therapy and exposure and response prevention has also been very beneficial for the treatment of OCD. On the contrary, for OCPD, not many studies have been done and there is no specific medication to treat it. Cognitive behavior therapy and all psychotherapy in general may help some explore their irrational thoughts, however, it is not 100% guaranteed. Number 1. People with OCD are usually self-aware and seek help to change the compulsive behaviors that seem to get in their way of life. People with OCPD are not self-aware and can end up hurting the people around them. They usually seek help to resolve conflict with their loved one. Overall, OCD and OCPD are very common disorders that can overlap in many ways. Knowing the difference may help you recognizing some of your own symptoms, but please don't self-diagnose. Seek help and a therapist will help you find out if this is a mental health issue you might have. Overall, OCD and OCPD are very common disorders that can overlap in many ways. Knowing the differences may help you in recognizing some of your own symptoms, but please don't self-diagnose. Seek help and a therapist will help you find out if this is a mental health issue you might have.